Hello world. Today I'm going to show you how to create login screen using Flutter. Okay, first you need to click start a new Flutter project. Next, select Flutter application, click next. Give your project name. To anything what you like. Click next. Click finish. Now wait until the loading complete. Okay, once loading is complete, now we can start. First, we need to now we need to navigate to lib folder, and inside there got main.dart. Open it, delete everything, start from scratch. First, import material.dart. Okay. Next, never mind. Now this import. Okay. Void main run app. Okay. For inside run app, we leave it first. Okay. Next, we create a class called my app, and the class extend stateless widget. Okay, so we need to override a function. So I put my mouse inside there, click override. It will override the build method, build function. So inside build function, what I need to do is to remove the existing code and replace it with return material app. Okay, inside material app, we are going to use home, but first we need to use debug show check banner into false. Careful with the parentheses, braces, and comma. Okay, next we need to create a login dart file. We create new dart file called login. Okay, now we move to main.dart. Okay, inside run app, we move to login. Okay, now we need to first import material.dart. Next, we use a shortcut called stful, enter. So we just put the class name to login, then press escape, move to main.dart. We copy my app into run app. Don't forget your semicolon. Okay, now we import login.dart. Okay, next, inside home attribute, we use login. Okay, don't forget your semicolon. Okay, now we move to login.dart. First, we need to inside build method, we replace to scaffold we return scaffold. So we use body attribute in the scaffold. We use center. Okay, inside scaffold we also need to use resize to avoid bottom padding. This is to avoid overflow. Okay, background color. This is I'm using hex code to set the color. Okay, move into body. Center, use child attribute. Child container. Inside container we will use margin. So how to use margin? We need to use edge insert only or edge insets all. Set the margin top right. Left. Okay, next attribute we are going to use child. Inside container we got child. Of column. Inside column we got children's. So for this we can have multiple of widgets inside column. First we are going to use a text. First attribute is string, and then style, text, style colon text style. Inside text style we use colors dot white, and then next we are going to use font font size equal to colon 26, font weight colon font weight dot bold. Next, now we have finished text widget. Next widget is a container. So inside this container we are going to use margin, edge insert only, top, child we are going to use text fill. Set text fill we are going to use cursor color colon colors dot green accent comma style text style. Inside text style we are going to use color colon colors dot white, and then next we are going to use decoration, input decoration, focus border, underline input border, border side, colors dot green accent, hint text username, hint style text style, colors colors gray. Okay, now we have finished container widget. Next is another container widget. Okay, now we need to set margin, edge insert only, top, child we are going to use text fill, inside text fill we are going to use cursor color colors dot green accent style text style. Inside text style, we are going to use color colors white. Next, you use obscure text. This is to hide your password. Obscure text true. Okay, decoration. Input decoration. This is same as before. You can copy and paste. Focus body, underline input border colors dot green accent. Next is hint text password. Next, hint style text style colors gray. Alright, now we have finished container widget. Next, we create another container. Okay, I think I make some space so you can see the difference. Okay, so now we have four widgets inside our column. Okay, inside container we got margin. We are using margin, edge insert only, top, child, button theme, min width, media query of context dot size dot width. Okay, this is to get current screen width. Okay, child raise button, child text login, colors. Okay, color. Now we are using hex code. Okay, unpress. Okay, last one is container. Margin, edge, insert only, top, child, text. Click here to register. Style, text style, colors dot white, font size 15.0. Okay, now let's test our code. Wait until your emulator. First you need to open your emulator. After your emulator is ready, then we can test it. Okay, now wait until build is finished. Okay, I'm going to show you side by side. Alright, build has finished. Now we can see our result. Oops, seems our margin is not correct. Let's fix it. Okay, we need to fix at the second last container. Margin top is set to, let's change to 100. Click on the lightning icon. Try to reduce again. 150. Okay, perfect. Okay, now you have successfully create login screen using Flutter. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to click subscribe and like. Thank you. Bye.